Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the workpiece and exposing the bearing. This prevents damage and keeps alignment. Remove grease and any shielding so you can see the circlip or retaining fastener. Use circlip pliers to extract the clip. Do it gently to avoid losing parts. Once the clip is out, apply penetrating oil and let it sit for several minutes. This helps free any corrosion. Then position a drift punch on the inner race or bearing edge and ready a steady, controlled hammer stroke to begin driving the bearing outward. You continue by working the bearing out evenly to avoid cocking it and scoring the housing. Place a drift opposite the direction you want the bearing to go and strike with light, consistent taps. Move around the circumference to coax it free. If the bearing binds, heat the housing. Focused heat expands metal and eases removal while protecting seals and nearby parts. Alternatively, attach a bearing puller or slide hammer to the inner race and pull with controlled force. Once it moves, keep supporting the part so it exits straight. You finish by cleaning the bore thoroughly and inspecting for damage. Tiny scores can ruin a new bearing, so measure tolerances and decide on repair. When installing, press the new needle bearing on the outer race only and drive it squarely to avoid misalignment. If the bearing won't come out, stop and reassess. Reapply penetrating oil, apply moderate heat to the housing, and try a puller. If it remains immovable, cutting the inner race may be necessary. Do that as a last resort and protect the bore from debris.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.